Hi everyone, my name's Karla. Today I'm going to be answering some Q&As about my wonderful experience at UON. Okay, so what is or are your favorite memories at UON? I'd say that my favorite memories are definitely all the fun moments I've had with like my friends and flatmates. It's definitely been an interesting experience. And honestly, like all the ups and downs, the tears, the laughter, all the drama and everything that comes with it has made such a huge impact on my uni experience. And with them, I have created memories that I'm going to cherish forever. What is or are your highlights studying the course? I'd say my highlights have definitely been some of the interesting and bizarre conversations we've had, like the students between ourselves, where our lecturers would just pop in and be like, wait, what are you talking about? And just like, yeah, it's been really funny and interesting. And also the opportunities that we've been provided with by integrating live briefs and competitions into our modules, and just getting to learn more about the industry. And like we had the opportunity to create our own freelance bands, which I think was one of the most beneficial ones. What would you describe as your most gratifying achievement or accomplishment? I think that would definitely be my Penguin book cover. And winning the Penguin Cover Design Award. Honestly, it's been such an amazing opportunity, and I'm just excited for everything that's coming next. Can't wait to start the mentorship. And yeah, what advice would you give to someone looking to study this course? Well, I'd say go in with an open mind, definitely. Try not to kind of decide exactly what you want to do beforehand. I think it's good to experience different things before you do decide to actually specialize in something. It's a great course. It's such a broad course as well, so literally you could go into just about everything, any industry at all. Like there's so many opportunities and fields you could go into, so yeah, I definitely recommend it. Do you have any words of wisdom on how to be innovative in your creativity to stand out? So I'd say where possible, try picking projects that you are passionate about or have like an interest in, because that tends to bring out your more creative side, because you end up putting up so much passion and energy into that project, and I think it just kind of reflects your personality and just stands out more when you do that. How did you acquire your mentorship or internship? Okay, so over Easter break this year, I applied to about over 50 jobs and like just sent out my CV to like lots of agencies. Did you enjoy your time at UON? Overall, I'd say I've had an amazing experience at the University of Northampton. These past 4 years have probably been some of the best years of my life. Yeah, they've definitely shaped me up for the future, and yeah, I just can't wait to see what happens next. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you found these answers helpful. And yeah, you can follow my design socials at Candy Creative if you just want to see some of the work I've done. Wherever you guys end up, I hope everything goes well for you. Bye!